Hey you guys, it's Sidney.
And MyLeah.
And we're...
Oh.
Hey you guys, it's Sidney.
And MyLeah.
And we're the Marks.
Thank you guys so much for choosing to watch this video today. We definitely appreciate it. Make sure that you go ahead and give it a thumbs up to let us know that you like it. And don't forget to comment down below. Let us know if you like these kinds of videos. We love DIY projects. And make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because we would like it very much.
So for today's video, we have something really interesting to talk to you guys about. So I don't know about you, but everyone seems to have that unorganized, messy closet in their house. You know, the closet you stick everything into when you have guests coming over, or you don't know where to put certain things, so you just cram everything into that closet. Well, that's our hallway closet. Sadly, we're going to have to do a haul on our bedroom closet too. So that's what we're doing this week. We're doing a haul on how to organize your closet. So we bought a couple things from Amazon. It's an organizer that you have to put together. Me and this beautiful lady right here are going to put it together. But it's going to help us organize our closet. One thing we really like about this organizer is it was very economical and it was very friendly. We looked around quite a bit trying to find an organizer to kind of like, you know, match the space. Babe, tell them how much it was.
It was roughly $63, like 63, literally like $62.99, but $63. Like Amazon is pretty cool for that kind of stuff. You can find great deals. So
yeah, the thing I love about the organizer, and you'll see once we put it together, is it has like doors to it, and I thought that was really cool. So even if they have to like come in and look in your closet, or you want to put somewhere where our guests are here, they can't see anything that's in the organizer.
I love it.
Yeah, no, we really love it. So a couple tips to buying an organizer is measure your space. I almost got one off Amazon, and before I could order it, someone told me go measure that closet, and it was actually too big. So just make sure that it matches your dimensions, make sure that it matches your style, make sure that it's not too like in width wide, and have fun with it. We're gonna have a lot of fun today building our organizer. So until then, you guys, we'll be back. You stay where you're at and keep watching this video. And we're going to put this thing together and let's see how we can help ourselves and then help you, okay? All right,
hilarious.
You guys?
All right, let's do it.
I don't know what that was. Oh, okay.
I don't know what it was either.
I don't know what it was either. All right, you guys. As you can see, this was so much fun putting together.
It was.
She really enjoyed it. She's my little handy woman. So I think you guys, if you're looking around your house and you are saying, I'm so cluttered, or I need to figure my closet out, or I need more space, as you can see, it maximized the space that we have.
Yeah.
It was able to organize our space, and it looks great. So I want to encourage you guys to take this week and look at your budget and look how you can, redo your house and just, you want your home to feel like your home. You don't want to feel crowded. You want your stuff to be organized. So take this moment while we're in quarantine to organize your house.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it as much as we did, make sure that you go ahead and give us a thumbs up to let us know just how much you liked it. And don't forget to comment down below. Let us know if you want to try something like this and if you want us to do any more videos like this. Because, we definitely enjoyed it. And while you're at it, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to our channel.
Please.
Because, yes, please. Because we love sharing this content with you. And honestly, you guys make it all better. So,
all right. Thank you guys for tuning in. And until next time, bye, you guys.